Ever wondered how some businesses seem to effortlessly identify peak call times, pinpoint underperforming agents, or even predict future staffing needs with uncanny accuracy? It's not magic, it's data. And if you're using RingCentral, you're sitting on a goldmine of insights just waiting to be unearthed. Think about it. Every call, every message, every interaction flowing through your RingCentral system leaves a digital footprint. But are you just letting those footprints fade away? Or are you actively tracing them to understand the journey of your customer communications? If you're like most businesses, you're probably aware that RingCentral has analytics and reporting, but you might not be fully leveraging its power. You might be dipping your toes in, pulling a basic report here and there, but missing out on the deeper, more actionable intelligence that can genuinely transform your customer service, sales, and operational efficiency. This isn't just about pretty graphs. It's about making smarter decisions. It's about understanding your customers better, optimizing your team's performance, and ultimately driving more revenue. In today's competitive landscape, where customer experience is king, relying on guesswork is a luxury you can't afford. You need concrete data to inform your strategies, to identify bottlenecks before they become crises, and to celebrate successes with tangible proof. So, how do we go from just having data to acting on it? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to demystify RingCentral analytics and reporting, showing you how to navigate its powerful features, interpret the insights, and turn those insights into tangible improvements for your business. We'll cover everything from the basic dashboards to advanced custom reports, helping you unlock the full potential of your communication data. Let's start with the big picture, the analytics portal. This is your command center, the central hub where all your communication data converges. When you log in, you'll immediately see a high-level overview. Don't just glance at it and move on. This dashboard is designed to give you a quick pulse check on your system's performance. Look at the service quality metrics first. Are your calls connecting smoothly? Are there any significant dropped call rates? High dropped call rates could indicate network issues or even agent training gaps. Next, cast your eyes over the call volume trends. Are you seeing spikes at certain times of the day or week? This immediate visual cue is crucial for staffing. If you have an influx of calls every Tuesday morning, and you're not adequately staffed, you're creating customer frustration. Now let's drill down. The true power lies in the individual reports. RingCentral offers a suite of pre-built reports designed to cover most common business needs. Let's explore some of the most impactful ones. First up, the queue performance report. If you run a contact center or have any kind of call queue, this report is your best friend. It provides a detailed breakdown of how your queues are performing. You can see things like average speed to answer, ASA, how long are customers waiting on average before an agent picks up? A high ASA directly impacts customer satisfaction. Abandon rate, how many callers are hanging up before reaching an agent? A high abandon rate is a red flag, indicating customers are getting frustrated and giving up. Service level, this is a crucial metric, often expressed as a percentage, like 80/20ths, meaning 80% of calls answered within 20 seconds. Are you meeting your target service levels? By analyzing these metrics, you can identify if you need more agents during peak times, if your routing rules are efficient, or if your agents need better training to handle calls faster. Next, let's talk about the agent performance report. This is where you gain insights into individual agent productivity and efficiency. You can see total calls handled. Who are your busiest agents? Average handle time. AHT, how long are agents spending on each call? While low AHT can be good, excessively low AHT might indicate rushed interactions. High AHT could signal a need for more training or better access to information. After-call work, ACW, time. How much time are agents spending on tasks after a call ends, like logging notes or updating CRM? Excessive ACW can impact agent availability. Break time and idle time. Are agents managing their time effectively? This report helps you identify top performers, agents who might need additional coaching, and areas where your team as a whole could improve efficiency. It's not about micromanaging. It's about empowering your team to be their best. Don't forget the call log report. While seemingly basic, This report is invaluable for detailed investigations. You can filter calls by date, time, duration, caller ID, and even call type, inbound, outbound, internal. If a customer complains about a specific interaction, this report allows you to quickly locate that call and investigate. It's also great for verifying call volumes for billing or reconciliation purposes. Now, while these pre-built reports are powerful, the real magic often happens when you start customizing your reports. RingCentral allows you to build reports from scratch, combining different metrics and dimensions to answer specific business questions. For example, you might want to see outbound calls made by your sales team, grouped by agent and filtered by call duration over 5 minutes. This could help you identify your most effective sales callers. Inbound calls to your support line, categorized by the resolution time and linked to specific customer segments. This could highlight common customer issues and their impact on resolution. To create a custom report, you'll typically navigate to the Custom Reports section. Here, you can select your desired metrics, like call volume, duration, queue time, and dimensions like agent, queue, date, time. Play around with the filters and groupings. The more specific your question, the more targeted your report will be. Don't be afraid to experiment. Save your frequently used custom reports for quick access. Beyond the reports themselves, remember to utilize the scheduling and sharing features. You can schedule reports to be delivered to your inbox daily, weekly, or monthly. This ensures that key stakeholders always have access to the data they need without having to manually pull reports. Share these reports with team leads, department heads, and even executive leadership to foster a data-driven culture throughout your organization. Finally, a crucial aspect of using analytics isn't just generating reports, but interpreting the data and taking action. Don't just look at numbers. Ask why. Why is the abandon rate so high on Tuesday mornings? Why is one agent's HT significantly lower than others? Dig deeper. Cross-reference with other data points. Talk to your team. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.